problem with my my phone, and it wouldn't let me scan the baggage. Say again?
I love you, Lisa.
Okay.
Right,
Love you, bye.
love you, bye.
The tingle goes down my spine.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And he said, I just bought a ranch and he's drinking a pot and he's fiddling with it looking for his like harmonica and it just comes out like it's iconic. He's a real art.
Well, his brother was younger as well, but he was still a my car. Ah! You should have beat Joel at her.
It's
Meth makes people psychotic, it makes people really paranoid. There's lots of suicides. You know, it's not uncommon at all on Facebook to see it.
Did you ever done any?
No, I've never really. No, I mean, like I say, like.
Come on, mate. What's you doing?
Well, I'm glad that you know, like, if these drugs had been around when I didn't fit in, feeling very different from everybody else, certainly different from other boys, and then not being able to really necessarily always get on.
What you call don't stay on the pedestrian levels of consciousness. There's deep shit down there. There's fascinating stuff. There's machine elves. There's corridors and kaleidoscopic.
Oh, damn.
You should do a documentary about skateboard.
Let's do it. Why don't you and I do that?
A documentary about skateboard.
Why don't you and I do a documentary about
two
cool
blokes
stuff?
standing up at a skate park going, hiya kids,
Yeah.
with baseball caps on.
Yeah, we'll do all that. It'll be two middle-aged men who are completely out of touch with the youth, doing things that we think the youth do. So we'll learn how to do graffiti. We'll learn how to rap.
Yeah.
And
we'll learn how to do hand signals.
Yeah, cheeky. Right, let's plan some stuff for ourselves. What would you like? A paper goes, a bike, and some Dermalogica. Now, never in a million guesses.
Meanwhile, 60 floors below, a man had walked into reception wearing grey aprons with an ID badge attached to his chest.
Well done. If shield, remember, with a spell of say geometry.
What are you doing?
A spell is a word of power, an arrangement of letters and season of time. As we listen to our ancient knowledge of fathers,
Walking me all the way down the pathway.
It's a lovely image.
I was thinking about it today because I was thinking about my dad would always say like, oh, you know, the older you get, the weeks turn into months. I mean,
They were ISIS political
yeah,
ideology,
to tell
and
the
they
truth,
murdered and they
I wouldn't
hated
even
and they
use the
damaged
word-
because that's what they had inside.
I don't know. Listen, this is, I guess, where you and I diversify, because I wouldn't use the word we, because I'd say there is no we. What is we? Who's we? Who's they? Those are like, you know, that's the sort of like the way.
And they have nothing to do with ISIS.
Well, They use the word
because that's what they had inside.
I don't know. Listen, this is, I guess, where you and I are diversified, because I wouldn't use the word we, because I'd say there is no we. What is we? Who's they? Those are like, that's the sort of like.
Speaker system, right? I don't like that. It's going like that. So I said, your phone's going out like that, and then it kept happening, and he went, do you mind if I take this? So we took it, right?
What an idiot.
Cool.
Oh, Rover, for God's sake.